Brownfield areas, the invisible network problem. These aren't empty zones. These are existing service areas, already wired, already connected, or at least that's the assumption. Over time, as networks expand, telcos lose track. Fiber routes, pole locations, active assets. The data gets siloed, outdated, or worse, lost entirely. High maintenance costs, service delays, inefficient troubleshooting, lack of modernized solutions to understand the on-ground reality leads to slower repairs, delayed upgrades, frustrated customers. That's where NetworkAccess changes the game. It digitizes your entire physical network into one live geospatial map. Get real-time visibility across fiber lines, ducts, manholes, cabinets, splicing points. No more guesswork, no more outdated records, faster fault resolution, smarter expansions, optimized network capacity with Lepton's NetworkAccess.